The only thing I like better than talking about food is eating it, because there is no sincere love than the love of food. Hey ya, welcome to the Fact Family. And if you are also in a relationship with food like me, then here is the list of the 10 most delicious and mouth-watering food from all around the world. Imagine taking burgers to the next level by dipping them in a bowl of melted freaking cheese. Burger Point in Sydney have taken this fantasy and made it a reality by introducing a cheesy sauce that customers can use as a dipping sauce or can pour it all over the burger. If you are also crazy for Nutella, you will just love this insanely dense donut that oozes mounds of hazelnut spread. Love at first bite is the signature dish at Donut Time, a bakery with shops across Australia. This Nutella-filled donut, dusted with cinnamon sugar, is simply the best thing on the dessert menu. Fried mozzarella is one of those appetizers that I think each one of us absolutely loves. You just can't beat the stringy and utterly yummy taste sensation that you get with this addictive dish. If there was a prize for comfort food, then this classic fried mozzarella tower would have definitely won. You may think you've had the best cake in the city, but you're wrong. New York's 24-layer chocolate cake with alternating layers of smooth, custardy choco filling and chocolate cake which is topped with a layer of semi-sweet French chocolate is a real slice of heaven. Claimed to be the largest deliverable pizza in the world, this giant Sicilian pizza from Big Mama's and Papa's Pizzeria can in turn feed 50 to 70 people anywhere and is almost the size of your bed. And with this, my bucket list just got bigger. Minami in Toronto is famous for their fusion udon noodles, and this particular handmade udon noodles with loads of cheese and creamery no doubt makes it the world's best cheesy udon noodles that I can't wait to try. This Melbourne-situated restaurant serves warm Nutella straight out of the tap. Yes, you heard it right. And guess what? Here you can dunk your favorite sweet treats under the seemingly limitless fountain. Now that's a big deal for Nutella aficionados for sure. Meet the deep-fried camembert burger, a super cheesy creation that erupts with cheese when bitten into. The burger has a wheel of camembert that has been deep-fried in the place of a meat patty, and you can find this pretty cool burger at King's Head, London. So you must be assuming that what is it? It's basically a cake, except that it's a sandwich. It's got 3 layers and it's covered by rainbow sprinkles. The sandwiches are made by stacking rounds of chocolate, vanilla, strawberry ice cream on a chocolate cookie crust, and that's everything I've ever wanted in a dessert. This restaurant in New York City features 2 of the most loved Italian dishes, pizza and pasta. Instead of that boring regular topping, this pizza has yummy and cheesy pasta over it, and that's what makes it just irresistible. To all the foodies out there, I don't want you to look back and think, I wish I could have eaten that. So enjoy your life and never ever stop loving your food. Well, that was all from our side. If you really liked this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Toodles!